Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Larder. I'm a Fora travel advisor at drewlarder.com, DREWLARDER.com. The link's in the video description. And we're just going to talk about some new Mexican all-inclusive resorts. So there's some that have been around for a while. They try pretty good to keep upgrading them and updating them, but obviously something that's been built 20, 30, 40 years ago isn't going to be the same, not at all the same as a brand new resort. So picture maybe when they're in the first few months of being open, maybe some personnel challenges, if that's the word, but picture everything being bright, shiny, brand new, not a germ, not a scratch, just brand new. So let's quickly go through. There's a couple on this page, and I'll go to another one, and I'll just show you a couple of. This is new Caribbean and Mexico. I just want to show you the Mexican ones. So we're going to scream right past the St. Vincent's or Sandals St. Vincent's and all these other ones that they like, because that's all in the rest of the Caribbean. And we'll do a different video for all-inclusive from the Caribbean. I think we got to go down to, this is Costa Mujeres. So this is a brand new one that opens up in February, adults only, 509 suites. I'll let you get a good look at that. Simply perfect, just perfect. And again, it opens in February. Right now, as I'm recording this, it's January 3rd. So coming very soon. And it's called Secrets Playa Blanca in Costa Mujeres. So right in the Cancun area across from Isla Mujeres, that kind of thing. Just north of Cancun, yeah. That's all great. I'm going to scream down. There's one more in here. I'm skipping over Jamaica and all these other ones. Here we go. Mazatlan. So on the other side, another brand new resort, Dreams, Estrella Del Mar, Mazatlan Golf and Spa Resort. So swim up suites, the historic downtown part of Mazatlan. So I've stayed at the Rio, which is way out at the end. This is right into the downtown part of Mazatlan. Opens in April. So brand new, 358 suites, restaurant, spa, professional golf course, the whole 9 yards there, 4 a la carte restaurants. So this is going to be a great all-inclusive. I think that's everything that we had in this one. I'm going to stop sharing. Let's see if I can do this right. Stop the screen, go back. You can stare at the top of my head for a second. That's exciting. And let's see if I can get these guys. So this is just the Cancun side, and we're going to screen through. There's a whole bunch here. So, and they're not necessarily right, like this one's already open in November 2024. SLS Playa Mujeres, like we said, north of Cancun. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. It's just, again, perfect. Been open for what? A month and a half. Here we go. This is October 2024, Almar. This is on Isla Mujeres, adult all-inclusive, so not for families. That looks amazing. Look at the ocean out there. It's beautiful. Ava Resort Cancun. That's a really big one. Where are we here? 17 restaurants and bars. Yeah, it's a big one. Just opened up in June of 2024. This is in Cancun. I'm not familiar with that one before. So we'll screen past that. Again, brand new all-inclusive, adults only. And then here's Hyatt Vivid Grand Island. This is open just in April of 2024, all-inclusive. Look at that. Again, great views out the Secrets Playa. This is the one we were talking about before, maybe on a different website or in a different video that I made. Secrets Playa Blanca, Costa Mujeres, 500. It's adults only, right on the beach, 500 guest rooms and suites. And what's this one? Marriott Cancun. Where is this? This is Cancun. Pretty amazing. Big renovation. Upcoming Excellence Coral Playa de Mujeres. So this is in Cancun, opening in February 12th. So in about a month, 2025. Here's another one coming up, Grand Hyatt Cancun Beach Resort. And there's more. Cancun is the hotspot. They just keep opening up resorts here. This one, so now we're going backwards. Let me just see if we got this. That's upcoming. And this is 2023. So these are ones that are relatively new, like it's a year old, a year and a bit, that kind of thing. Secrets Impression, Isla Mujeres, May 2023. Waldorf Astoria, Cancun, that's November 2022. So that's 2 and about not even 2 months. Here's another Royal Uno all-inclusive resort and spa. And that's a family-friendly one. 5-star resort, family-friendly. Kempinski. Again, look at that. Love the colors, love the ocean, everything. Former Ritz-Carlton, and 363, it's being refreshed and rebranded. Hilton Garden Inn Cancun Airport, March 2022. So these are all pretty new. Margaritaville St. Somewhere. I like that, St. Somewhere, just off the coast of the Yucatan Peninsula, to the northwest of Cancun, so above it. 39 luxury suites, that's it. So you're going to just feel like you're on your own. That's pretty amazing. I love the Margaritaville kind of things that they're doing. How about 39 luxury suites? That's pretty cool. 2 restaurants, 2 bars, and a pool, and only 39 other couples or whatever around you. Breathless, this is Cancun again. Open in December, so these are pretty close to brand new. It's January 3rd again. This is in Chetumal, down near the bottom, by Hotel Xcaret. Open in December. South of Playa, it's more like down the Tulum kind of area. Hilton all-inclusive, again in Cancun. There's so many. Nickelodeon, this is obviously a family-friendly resort in the Riviera Maya. Open in August. So, just tons of these great new things. Fairfield Inn and Suites, this is downtown Cancun, Marriott. Planet Hollywood Autograph Collection, Costa Mujeres, so north of Cancun or in Cancun. This is Planet Hollywood Adult Scene, so adults only. 380 suites over 5 floors, and you can see the ocean right out that's very cool, the decoration there. And then Puerto Morelos, again, heading down south from Cancun, beneath, towards Tulum kind of area, not quite. There we got a Residence Inn in Cancun. I think we're going to be down to the bottom of this. Garza Blanca Resort and Spa, Cancun, again, just opened in December. There's so many. I'm not going to keep going with the 2019 ones. There's tons of different stuff there. I'm going to stop and scream to the top and just make you look at this one, which is the SLS Playa Mujeres. I love the look of that. The link, take you to my site at drewlarder.com, is in the video description. You click that link, it'll take you to my site. You scroll to the bottom, there's links for if you're into the family kind of all-inclusives, or if you're into the adult all-inclusives. It's one or the other, really. You either want to see lots of kids or you want to see no kids. And so there's 2 different Facebook groups for that, and there'll be information on the site of different properties. And click the link on the bottom that has me and my daughter running on the beach in Mazatlan, I think, and send me a quick 1-sentence message. I want to go to Cancun in June, whatever it is. And obviously I'll come back with a bunch of questions. How much? How many of you? Where are you? What are you doing? How long are you going to go? Etc. But 1 sentence gets the conversation started. Send me a quick little message. Again, I'm Andrew Larder. I'm at drewlarder.com. Click the link in the video description and go check it out. Get in touch, and I can get you find pretty good description of all the different all-inclusive resorts, whether it's for your family or for all-inclusive adults only. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder at drewlarder.com. Enjoy.